Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable wireless networks for Arris router. And to do this you will need to enter a configuration website. Here you can see the link for it. If you still have a trouble finding this website, you can check our setup video about this device. Now we want to go for a summary and click on the specific Wi-Fi that we want to turn off. In this case I have two different home networks. There's 2.4 band and 5G band Wi-Fi options. So I want to disable 5G. I'm gonna click on that. Actually, let me make sure. Yep. So I want to disable 5G network and I clicked on it. Here you can see disable button. Click on that and then enter the CAPTCHA like this and click on save. Now the network should be removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.